In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to install Dragon Anywhere on a mobile device. In my case, I'm using an Android device. However, the process on an Apple device is very similar. Start by opening your App Store and look for the Dragon Anywhere application. Once found, please download and install the application on your device. Should the app not open automatically, please open it and agree to the terms and conditions. Now the application is installed, you will need to configure it so it knows which server to connect to. Please refer to the subscription confirmation for the configuration link. I have already downloaded the confirmation to my download folder, but you can also open it directly from your emails. Towards the bottom of the first page, you will find iOS and Android links to configure your application. In some cases, your phone will allow you to click on the link directly from this document. Unfortunately, this is not the case for my device. To solve this problem, there's a little workaround where you will need to copy the link to your local Notes app and open it from there. When you open the link, it will automatically detect that you have Dragon Anywhere installed. Please select Dragon Anywhere to open the link. This completes the configuration process. You will now be able to log into the application with the login details provided on the subscription confirmation page. If multiple languages are available in your region, you will be able to select them on this screen. Now you're logged in, you're ready to start dictating to your mobile device. This completes the Dragon Anywhere mobile installation.